always wanted to catch a bass in the snow. And all the experts will tell you when it's snowing, barometric pressure is really low, which actually fires up the fish. So surprisingly, you got a good chance of hooking a bass. And so that's what we're trying to do. Watch my fishing pole, son. Hunter Jack's here with me on the adventure. And so is my brother. My brother's right over there. We're at a local pond, actually his wife's pond that she grew up on here. Just a small little pond. I've done a few videos from here. But anyway, let's try it. Some people might call us crazy. What you doing? Bust it up for me one more time. Oh! Slung half of his pole, you know, one of those Zebco 33s pop buttons that's, you know, half and half. He has slung half of it into the ice, so we're gonna go over and try to rescue it. Okay. Hey, Hunter Bice! No! No! Oh, Lordy. Hey, you can't go out there, son. About 30, 45 minutes into our snow time bass fishing, and we haven't caught one yet. I think I might have got a bite. Of course, it could have been a stick too, so who knows. But it's not going to deter me from my quest of catching a bass during heavy snow. And so hold tight. Hopefully, when the camera pops back up, I'll be holding a pretty green bass. Just think how pretty that green bass will look with the backdrop of this white snow. I always wanted to do that. I just love bass fishing so much. I think about those things. But anyway, Blake's still trying his hand. Hunter Jack has not trying his hand anymore. He's playing in the snow and actually eating snow. But he's having a good time. He's an 8-year-old boy. What you been doing mostly out here?
Making sandwiches with ice and eating it.
Eating a snow sandwich? Is that what you say? How's it taste?
Good.
Let me see. Show what you... Uh-huh.
And then the snow bread. And just let it fall.
Mmm, looks tasty. Now, do you add anything to it, or just eat just straight snow, straight ice? What?
How it tastes.
Oh, hey, stop! Get that out of the camera.
It's really good.
Okay, folks, we're going back to the arsenal here, and we put on a staple of cold water fishing, wintertime fishing. This is the old jerkbait here. I think this is the old Strike King clown color, Wild Shiner. There you go. That's what it's called. Suspending version, and gonna get a few casts with it. But old BB says we probably need to hit the road here shortly because the roads are deteriorating. There you go. Good. All right, Hunter. Go. Right into your living room. Nice.
Now that's what I call cool.
What you say, huh?
Now that's what I call cool.